Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create text QR code, only way. Open a trusted QR generator, choose the text option, paste your content, and set size and error correction. Preview the code on a phone, then download the image in PNG or SVG format for clear printing. Test the final code across multiple devices to confirm readability before sharing or printing your text QR code. Start by selecting the text option inside the generator, then paste or type the exact message you want encoded. Choose a higher error correction level if the code may get damaged, and pick a resolution suitable for printing or web use. Always preview the QR code and scan it with multiple devices to verify the text displays correctly before finalizing your download or distribution. After generating your text QR code, scan it with multiple smartphone apps to ensure consistent results and confirm the exact text appears. Print a small test at the size you plan to use to check contrast and clarity under real conditions. If you need to share long content, consider linking to a document instead to keep the QR code sparse and easy for every scanner to read quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.